Welcome to episode 2 of our Colorado trip. This one will be a little more entertaining than the first one, I promise. Sit back and relax and enjoy. We are heading up to Imogene Pass. It finally opened this morning.
It's just not as drippy today.
This was shot in early September 24. We had the first week we were there, it dumped. It rained every day. Black Bear Pass is closed for the season already, and Imogene Pass has been closed all week and literally just opened this morning. So here we go. So we're, of course, in our old trusty XJ, and then our son's along with his Chevy ZR2. The scenery up here is truly amazing. Absolutely beautiful.
Like they've been there a while.
This is at the start of the road up to the Imogene Pass, at the base of the Camp Bird Mine. Not your typical miner's cabins.
But then again, they don't. There's racing like you do. Yeah, it got washed out a lot. Rock crawling here.
Want to get out and film the tail coming up?
The dash cam just doesn't show what the road really looked like.
That one's right there. No way to stop. Don't want to climb back down. Holy crap.
I don't remember the road being like this.
Well, you know, it was closed on purpose here.
Beautiful waterfall off the edge.
That's where it's gonna stay. Everything started rolling.
Oh, they're tart little berries. Damn.
They're really good, actually. straighten up a little bit.
You know, when you look out your window and you're looking straight down a 500-foot minimum drop into the canyon, it'll make you pucker.
Fun picture.
Yeah. Yes. Hello, bear.
There's actually a road that goes across the top of that waterfall. There was a fairly large group of Jeeps that were all attempting it, and there's a step getting out of it that was apparently kind of hard. And they were having a heck of a time, so we decided not to wait and move on up the mountain.
That was engineered. That was like the Alpine Loop, basically. Went down to Lake City and then back up, and then we went down to Cinnamon and went and saw the. Yeah, because we didn't go down to stay in Ophir until after they left.
Yeah.
And that's when we did this trail, is from the Telluride side, because we started with the tunnel.
On a big train bridge.
Yeah. It's gonna be a rock climber.
Oh, that's going to be way off camera.
Ooh.
I just realized how much that's going to drop there.
While most of the roads up here aren't really that technical, they are once again off the charts with the pucker factor.
I don't know if we can get that lift on that, but we can try. Oh yeah, no problem. Climbed right up.
Road's that way, but we can check his tranny fluid. Oh, there's a
Trail up there. This might. Stop, I can look at the map.
yeah. Oh, the pass goes that way.
There's the track still. That's cool.
I'll go grab my flashlight. And that's the road, switchbacking up the mountain and going that way. Whew. Oh, miner's cabin or something here at Camp Bird number 3. Oh, Lord. Ow. Oh, Lordy. And wafer board.
Some of the switchbacks we just drove up.
And we made it to Imogene Pass. 13,114 feet. And just an insane view. Somewhere down there is Telluride, but we can't go because of mudslides. There's a wild shay off in the distance. And the bear.
So the road up to Imogene Pass literally opened this morning after being closed all week due to the rains. But the gate up top, which we didn't find out until we were halfway up, was locked due to mudslides, so we could not go down into Telluride and have our lunch like we planned. So back down the way we came.
She may not be adding audio, but boy, her faces.
Saw some old mining equipment off the side of the road, so of course we had to go and hike up to it and check it out.
Hey, bear. Hi, bear. It's bear and kale and Shay's ass. Yeah, there's just no way you can drive this trail and not stop and get a picture of your vehicles on the rock. It is hundreds of feet down on the other sides. Kind of spooky.
Got a Toyota.
Can you go back at all?
Oh, they're gonna try? No.
Not really more than this.
I can get over there.
Like he's pulled off waiting.
Yeah, but I don't know how.
Here, you go where I was and I'll pull off here.
I don't think they can make it then. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, it just didn't look wide enough up there.
Yeah. Have a good one.
You too. Videos just never do justice to the angles of the roads.
Well, we made it back down before the rain started again. And if you've made it this far, we certainly appreciate you watching. Please subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000. And please be sure to hit that like and leave us a comment if you would. Thanks again. We'll see you on the next video.